Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment from Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research. In short form, this is Sameer, SAMEER. Yes, when you will go to the official website of Sameer, here you can see they are having some positions open for the senior research scientist, research scientist, project assistant, project technician also. So when you will click here for the vacancy details, you can just see this detailed PDF. So they are recruiting on the contract positions. Okay, now let's check it out the details. The application link will be closed on the 12th August. So last date for applying will be 12th August. How to apply, who are eligible, everything I will tell you. But before that, tentative dates for the test and the interview between 17 to 23rd August for the different positions. Now check it out. Here you can go to this official website, and to apply you need to click on this link only. So for the senior research scientist electronics, they are having 3 vacancies. Senior research scientist electronics, 1 vacancies. Okay, research scientist electronics, 30 vacancies are there. Research scientist computer and IT, 4 vacancies are there. For project assistant A electronics, 25 vacancies are there. So like this one, physics project technician, fitter, mechanic and turner. These are for these last four positions. They required ITI or diploma only, but for the remaining they required BE Tech. But here in these two, so they required the experience also. Job experience is also required. So let's check it out. When I'm going to this one, here I can see the first one. For the senior research scientist, discipline is electronics or electronics and telecommunication, SRS senior research. But in this case, BE Tech is required. Other than this, 5-year job experience is required. So I think if you are having, you can apply, but I think this is not for the freshers. The second is also post code is there, electronics, the job experience required here. Now I think this here, yeah. So the research scientist post will be electronics. Okay, post code will be RSEL. Research scientist in this one, the means the minimum qualification is BE Tech or ME Tech you are having. You can apply here with minimum 55% marks in the electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation. In this one, okay, there is no work experience required. Job description is mentioned, you can check it out. For the next one, information technology and computer science, RSIT. Okay, research scientist will be there, BE Tech in computer science or information technology with minimum 55% marks is required here, students here. Okay, for project assistant, diploma is there, as I told you already. For project assistant, project technician also the diploma is required. So you can check these details first of all. Now the next thing is here, important instruction is mentioned here. So what is the remuneration for senior research? 39,200 per month. For research scientist, 30,000 per month. Project assistant, project technician will be the this remuneration. Upper age limit for research scientist, where all the engineering means all the engineering student. If you are having BE Tech in electronics and telecommunication, or you are having BE Tech in CSIT, you can apply here. So 30-year will be the upper age limit here. Okay, duration of contract will be, this is clearly mentioned, 2-year contract or duration of the project, whichever is less. So screening test will be there surely. So last date for applying is the 12th August. Okay, the screening test will be there. So you need to go to this website and you can check the details. So which documents you need to provide, the details are mentioned, dear students. You can apply accordingly. How to apply, the procedure is also mentioned. You can go through this one and you can apply. So selection process will be based on the screening test also. So this is mentioned here. This is the selection process. So you can go to the each and every detail, dear students, and then you can apply accordingly. But the last date is, which you need to remember, the last date will be 12th August for applying this position. Thank you.